Going over the Roberto Clemente Bridge in Pittsburgh, the three rivers, and the stadiums. All right, we are on the Monongahela, crossing over McKeesport. Starting to get to the end of the industrial part of the trail coming out of Pittsburgh. So this is the GAP Trail, Great Allegheny Passage. They say it's like riding in a green canopy. The leaves are just starting to change as it's late September. So apparently we're going to find a lot of these guys on this trail. So the color is from the iron ore. Day 2, we just passed Confluence and a detour to Addison. You can see the sun's come out under the green canopy. Heading to the Pinkerton Tunnel. This is the Pinkerton Tunnel, almost getting to the Continental Divide. Getting near the top of the Eastern Continental Divide. You can hear the railroad that we've been going along, that's on the other side of the river. And the leaves are starting to turn yellow. This bridge is really long. And the train museum in Myersdale, getting real close to the Continental Divide. All kinds of great things about coal mining, the Indians, and the railroad here. All right, go to the Gulf of Mexico, go to the Atlantic Ocean. Mississippi, Atlantic. Mississippi, Atlantic. Here we go into the big Savage Mountain Tunnel. There's coming out of the big Savage Tunnel just after the Eastern Continental Divide. You can see a terrific view from here forever. And the GAP Trail. Coming into Cumberland. Day 3, we left the GAP Trail, which was possibly the nicest gravel trail I've ever been on. And today we're on the C&O, which follows a towed path, an old canal path that parallels the Potomac River. Quite a bit of mud, some single track. Glad I brought the gravel grinder, not a road bike. We're at the Paw Paw Tunnel. This is coming out of the Paw Paw Tunnel. Here comes Mary Beth. He's rolling. Yesterday the C&O trail was muddy and kind of crap. Today it's nice, just paralleling the Potomac, headed down toward Harper's Ferry.